unknown aircraft on position 2619M, north 5613 east, squawking mode 37375. This is Iranian air defense radar on guard. You are approaching Iranian FIR. Establish communication and identify yourself. And keep clear, over.
Iranian air defense radar, this is Coalition Forces aircraft flying your international space in a routine operation. We're clearing the space, over.
Coalition Forces aircraft. With your established heading, you are passing Iranian FIR. Change your heading immediately and leave the area, over. Coalition Forces aircraft, Iranian air defense radar. This is the last warning. You are passing Iranian territorial waters at point 2630 north, 5611 east. If you do not comply, we will take a tactical action against you. Change your heading now, over.
Iranian air defense radar, Coalition Forces aircraft. We do not have an hostile intention. We have changed our heading and flying out of Iranian FIR, over.